Well, just installed a new tankless hot water heater. Didn't have much room, but I was able to get it in there. Still gotta do the PEX lines up, connect it in tomorrow morning. I gotta go to VP Supply, get a couple more fittings that I'm short. And I also replaced new pressure treated on the wall, replaced it to the valve here. Yeah. Nice quick job. New gas line up and over to there, and then basically just connected in over here. I lucked out. Somebody previously put a T with a 90, so it was perfect. Just had a plug in it, and I was able to get a solid 10-foot pipe up there. So yeah, finish her up tomorrow morning. Got about a hour's worth of work left. Just tying the water lines.